gas. Izinto eziningi bengishawa ungazi. Plus. Izinto ebengidlula kuzona benyakazisa ngisho igazi. Uthatha uphela lapha kuthiwa choose. Maphela bengakuse. Baqhamuka ngendlela ephansi. Basika kunonile gazi. Bazokubetray. Abasondeze eduze kakhulu. Kodwa bathanda okhona bakuthandayo. Uyangizwa. Bizuda gana choose mase sonke soke sikhonkothisa amathuluzi shisela isponge lose mase ngifaka yaza ngikuthanda ukulose bizuda gana choose mase sonke soke sikhonkothisa amathuluzi shisela isponge lose mase ngifaka yaza ngikuthanda ukulose bizuda gana choose mase sonke soke sikhonkothisa amathuluzi shisela isponge lose mase ngifaka yaza ngikuthanda ukulose bizuda gana choose mase sonke soke sikhonkothisa amathuluzi shisela isponge lose mase ngifaka yaza ngikuthanda ukulose bizuda gana choose mase sonke soke sikhonkothisa amathuluzi shisela isponge lose mase ngifaka yaza ngikuthanda ukulose angikuthanda uthatha ubheka la bekuthiwa choose my brother bengicela unganguse bogwema nokuthatha ilusi unganguse basi inyoka ngicela ungabuzi mabeshaya istifu bengicela ungabuzi sitha leso angikutsheli excuse bengikholela huti kwesamajimbo singithole ngumphosiso nami ngiyajuza bavula inhliziyo bakwenzela ilingo ngithole ngikotole ningifane no ring bangibizo ngomlilo ngibone ngihero kwaphela ngami ngimncane let's a finito angibizuda gun mase sonke soke sikhonkothisa amathuluzi angishisela isponge lose mase ngifaka uyaza ngikuthanda ukulose mabheka khona nokwenzana nelimi enkade vele babefisa ukungibamba ngesimo sikutshele gas senasikhaso sokulo mina ntwana ngizokucima yes not a threat I can do anything my nigga without no regrets imkhonka sifets ofaka benkemba sanzo kucoca nigga that's a fact inkinga ngivine phila bomi bamanga nokuthula kwami into angachasa ukuthi lokho ngiyabamba ngisho uzizwa nsizwa khehla lami osikutshela uzothamba kodwa mangifika nesafs qiniso lithi ngaphelelwe isikhathi sekukaningi befika ngengqeqe besika kunonile behambela phansi gas befuna uthatha ubheke kuthiwa choose babrada ngiyakutsheba ngakujuice ngoba yena ugun nakhonkotha to lose befisa ukugwemela lose the soul too.
Song choose konje choose abangani Oh my God, yes, okay. Ngelizo liculo is very emotional, so I'm sure Nababugeli would love to know, what does the song represent to you?
It represents emotion. There's into we zona it's also why. Okay. Phela khona izinto kuthiwa udosha ngaphakathi. Ngaphandle. Yabo. Leyo ngaphandle ilo so physical.
Yeah.
Leyo ngaphakathi ilento esukuyikuwena, esukuyikuhle. Le inner peace ekwena engaphumi kalula.
Alright.
Uyicontainer awusongska kambe important. Babe nomngana. Uyasaba ukumtshela sometimes isikhathi ngoprespect ngaphansi kunindeze pressure banga. Sine phela sefuna enomile ngithandiswe lo ukuthi ayigcini eclassini kuphela. Yabo nje wasi orientate.
Life orientation.
Angithi ayibona. So iba difficult the more cooler because ilangena khona pressure. Hamba nangi status. Abangani banena lapho achieve. So mina ngifuna ukuboxa lento isuke ngaphakathi kuwena ususaba wena ukuyihambisa because phela ngaphansi ngcinde ze pressure abanye banemali onamba ekhaya unakwazi ukufaka luso represent abangani phela represent wonke umuntu a challenge yonke leyo yosabayo wena njengomuntu individual njalo uphia ngomhlamba nami.
Alright. So is this a real song?
Yes, real song.
Is this something that happened?
But it's a real song. Izinto zami personal.
Yeah, okay.
That necessarily have to focus on magama ngiwasebenzisa. Hey, lawo strong.
Okay.
Because emotion, just emotion.
I hear you. Okay. So sizwa igama le lose liloku liphophe up nje kule ngoma lose uyaphela.
I lose.
Inenye pe mayipo.
Abela khona kwabantu abadala. So sinekithenza lapho.
Ooh, okay, that's it vela khona inspiration.
So mangithi mina ukubona ngoma move khona le sindle sokuthi ngaphandle. Uyaphuza.
Yeah.
She said lose.
I I hear you.
That's lapho.
Okay.
Ngisho selesponti lose. Yabo lento sengifuna ukucabanga, mangicabanga ngicompose ukuze uma ngikhathele nini abafisa kanje.
No, I hear you. Okay. This song is very raw. That's uyalwa kuyona.
Ngiyalwa.
So umuntu olwayo, would you consider yourself a fighter? Hence the boxing ring, hence the boxing glove. You see, good question. Are you a fighter?
I work with fight. Every day we fighting. Ngabe ngiqambela amanga monke. Ubone ukuthi uland uyani bebe maphulu na.
Yeah.
Mvuka every day more hustling right. Doesn't have to say money. Siyaboxana nasomathayi.
Okay.
Ukuthi sidwa nomizwa yethu ngicabanga yethu. Sidwa nemoya sidwa. Ayo ngindlela. Every day it's a fight.
No, I hear you, yeah. That's it, Babageli. That was Uzagan with an interview on I Choose. Telling us more and getting impressed.
1 2 ladies and gentlemen, this is it. How do we do this? Woo! Feed the masses. I'm out there in a Statue of Liberty, I'm a man, I have to get paid on a daily basis. If not, no pussy, I'm a cheddar for the sushi. And mama need a house, baby need some shoes. So I'm in the streets with my teeth out. Ngihlala ngibhekile njengescover, never stack out. I do bite, so keep out, ipele selfigile. I'm right where I belong, so I need to stay strong. Holy book, now I'm bringing revelations. Ilogishi zoba ngono one day. I have a dream for a son, so be better one day. We'll find a way for a brighter day in this inequality. I have a dream for a better education. Whoa,
yeah.
Wait a minute. Never spizz with cheese. Never so cheese. Lay your cheese.
Nini ngidonsana nomkanzi ngiziva ngisinda zinyawo sehlathini ngiphethe ibanana in case ngifica zinkawu umkhonto on mangada ngifika ngehawu phethe amasosha like military mans lo kumulu uphawu since kubamba izingelayo dog I'm ready to kill gokote emagetsini impumelelo ngistakhe nebeat isipinde sikwazi ukuphuca impilo sipinde sikwenza uphila baningi bafika ukuphila kwabo kuvukela ethi ngamane kuhlukana inhloko nesichatha socothozela ngocophelela ngokubhokophela kuyoze ukuthi gatha angithi street cred esenzela abafana bavele bejip jack ngenxa yokupintshek baningi abayithola ishebo uchitheke uzake ngathole idilike emthini sengifaka up isini my brother ngitshela uthuna uthini ngoba la nasempini ugovernment system izifebulala isystem ikhulu okwe religion ngeke ngithinta icolor of skin fana sekhaya lenti ihamba ithinta ingane zakini idlulele ebazalini impendalo esingakayiwin next generation I hope I get to take action implementation that is just an orientation I'm just a product of a segregation ngifunela attention my order please of dedication I have a dream for a better education isn't that wrong isephenduka ifashion kuye yami section jump.
We're back again in studio with Udagan about one of his singles. Futhi konje yithini igama lengoma?
Sambulelo ama revelation.
Ama revelations. Ila kwambula khona izinto zelokishi.
Ingazezi.
Yeah, no. Catchy phrase aseba cool. Yini yaqoquzela ukuthi ibhale lengoma?
Khathele khuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Khathele ukuthi lezinto lezi emele ngabe siqala ngazi kwi-answer sisha indini because egcineni ukuze ukwazi ukwenyulela phezulu kumele uqale phansi
Yeah.
ngithi siqale phansi ngokusiqale sikhuluma Because ngeke uyempini ungazi ukuthi opponent yakhe yini. Ile nto engoma iqala ukuthola opposition yakho noma opponent yakho. Khona uzokwazi ukuthi nawe undlala ama-social. La besenzela ama-social ngoma. Ama-social noma qale sikhuluma ngalezi zinkinga ukuze sikwazi ukuthatha.
Yeah, kunjalo.
So masaqala ukuthi sikhuluma lezi zinto yazishaya kodwa manje singayinaki because vele nje sithindezele into yofana yabo mangizi revelation kahle ama-lyrics amphele sengicula la yabo holding book I'm bringing revelation Jehova ngibonile iBhayibheli siyawembuleka manje sambulela lezi zinto lezi zihlukumezayo sina spiritual physically yabo umoya wakho phela ongakhathali umoya phelile ngakho kodwa yonke lemhlala enyameni physically ngabe ngitshela uma lyrics easy favorite system
Okay.
Nah, i-system ngokwayo self. Aqale ngakhuluma lezo zinto lezi ezishaya.
So, based on my lyrics, we can tell that you are somebody who's aware of his endeavors and I understand, storytelling us and giving insights into the story. So now, my question to you is, what difference would you make, or what input would you give to change the situation as to the under if you were given the chance?
As if it's me influence. Music is highly influential.
Yeah.
Just like I'm a movie.
True.
Ubona ingane encane noma amaji gangsterism iqale ngama popular ngaziqali be popular ngama bawubona umuntu eshaye high ngakusasa ucabanga ithizwe ngoba big band yabo so the music influential nje ukuthi if wena uzokwazi ukuthi njalo every day for your life ungidlalela ngangena ekhanda lakho ngingena ekhanda lakho lezi zinto engisho nawe ngaqala it's mindset ngangena ekhanda lakho because sikhathele futhi ukubuka ingoma eveza amantombazane sisempini baphethe video fana yabo silwa nezipho ezingena ku system yet music kwamanje yakwazi ukupromotela amantombazane angisho ukuthi ba have fun it's not wrong but izibuze wena ukuthi unikeza influence kulabantu abakulandelayo sesifile automatically uma ngicabanga angiblame kodwa manje ngeke ngicabanga ukuthi mina ufuna ngiyonza imali bese shoshaya ibhand
Yeah.
and so cool and
Yeah. So we need to change the narrative. Yeah, and the
promote ngayo mentality kodwa phela system ungevele iyasisila everyday ofana.
But through music,
through music, there's a chance, I understand. Because even to preach it, you get a kind of that for now. So now we are changing automatically.
Thank you again, Zagan. It's always a pleasure speaking to you. We are proposing the kind of music that you guys are doing. It's not a music that it's considered to be Baka, but in the descendants of our faith, yes, Chabisa Nati, so says we think that are in safe hands. We are changing mentalities through music. Revelations, thank you again.
Nawazi umthetho umfana walutha nokulwa elela baba sefieldini la sejangeni ongazi uzodliwa angisho thini ubelesele kahle so umibambe so yazi nastanyawo nakani juice Jesus siyempini wasukumsini lesisibame sikhomeni inwahlehle ukukhuluma emphakathini wasibhekene ngamehla kusakhulume kunamalimi sekuntambama la kusebenza u6 to 6 uthini uyangibiza
bengibiza untshini
uthini uyangibiza
bengibiza untshini
uthini uyangibiza
bengibiza
uthini uyibelesele gas awuyibelesele mosi uyibelesele jo wenti uthini uyangibiza
bengibiza untshini
uthini uyangibiza
bengibiza untshini
uthini uyangibiza uthini uyibelesele gas awuyibelesele mosi uyibelesele jo wenti emergency exit sobe singena ngecala labafana bakudala dliushitshe vava cash duda gun ngenkani wimene sand that's why you many men bangakuthola usulime ngenxa yomsindo we-MC Ken uthi utest yamanzi gofo mawusizwa nsizwa ntshiza ishone khona ungibiza uzunge zenzo zashaka senza ngakhona amageja khona Mpumalanga hama selezi into zakhona amageja khona Mpumalanga hama selezi into zakhona bengisakuthathi isoka mfethu kodwa ngathi yaphaphalazi nolimi sekuthanda ukugcwala inkwethu bopha kakhulu yageleza ubamba ukuthi kugcwala isiphethu into ehlangene nawe angicela iboli yethiwa ngikubiza impethu wemfethu ngathi usuthinteka bambathi clever ngizokubambathi ngadonsa insuku ezisithupha khona sosabathe ndangizanga ngilambathi hamba nengalakazi ayigcobo kusamkhathakhatha akunamkhathakhatha ngamagama kubalelo kusamlabalaba intshiza siye impilo suku umsini lesisibhamu esiqhomemini inwahlehle ukukhuluma emphakathini wasibhekene ngamehla kusakhulume kunamalimu sekuntambama la ngisebenza u6 to 6 uthini uyangibiza
Bengibiza untini
uthini uyangibiza
Bengibiza untini
uthini uyangibiza
Bengibiza
uthini uyibelesele gas awuyibelesele mosi uyibelesele jo wenti uthini uyangibiza
Bengibiza untini
uthini uyangibiza
Bengibiza untini
uthini uyangibiza
Bengibiza
uthini uyibelesele gas awuyibelesele mosi uyibelesele jo wenti Lompopo khipha umlilo wenza icherry bamba isimilo ukuphuca impilo wibutho lami igazi siyisilo mawukhipha khipha isililo Lompopo khipha umlilo sidla ama-gram kilo hizo ungezo wasikhipha siyakhupha fana amakhafu sabadibira ijekhe ngakho ngisakhafula mazodizela isipetha ngathi uzonkasula lento fana ngaqala kusakhula sokule mini kuhlale kudliwa ushithi vafu khafu seshigesa ezihafu sithathe khapha kuzela ngethupha ngizokhipha inami ngangiphikelelisa amakhumba amane izindlezami ahlahla intshiza siye empini wasuka umsini lesi sibhamu esiqhumemini yini wahlehle ubukhulume emphakathini masibhekene ngamehla kusakhulume kunamalimu sekuntambama la ngisebenza u6 to 6 sengibiza untshisa